8 phrases women say when they want you to chase. Most men don't even realize they're being pulled into the chase because these 8 phrases sound casual, even flattering, but behind the words is a subtle pressure to prove yourself. In this video, you'll learn how to recognize each one and, more importantly, what to do instead of chasing. The last phrase, it's the most convincing of them all, and the one that flips the dynamic entirely if you handle it right. If you're new, welcome. We share daily strategies to help men dating. Drop a comment below and subscribe, or you may never see our videos again and you'll be reacting while others are ready. 1. You're so different from other guys. At first glance, it sounds like a compliment, but what she's really doing is testing to see if you'll try to live up to it. She wants you to perform, to prove her right, and in doing so, you subtly give her the power. Instead, respond with something playful like, "You haven't seen the weird parts yet," and stay grounded. Let her chase the layers you choose to reveal. 2. I'm not really looking for anything serious, unless it just happens. This is the classic breadcrumb. She's inviting you to try and convince her, hoping you'll start doing all the heavy lifting. But here's your move. Don't try to change her mind. Keep your energy mysterious and lean back. If she's interested, she'll start changing her tune. 3. You're trouble. I can already tell. That's not just flirtation. It's a cue for you to start proving you're safe and harmless. That's how she gets men to overinvest. Flip the script. Say something like, "I only cause trouble for people who try to figure me out too fast." Now she's the one leaning in. 4. You're not like one of those emotionally unavailable guys, right? She's fishing, not for truth, but for commitment energy. If you rush to reassure her, you just stepped into the prove yourself trap. Instead, slow the pace and say, "I'm present with the right people." What about you? Let her qualify herself for once. 5. I don't usually open up this fast with people. She's planting the idea that this connection is rare, so you'll treat it like gold. Most guys respond by becoming hyper-attentive. Your move, appreciate it without overreacting. Stay centered. Scarcity should make her value rise, not your urgency. By the way, if you're starting to recognize how these phrases show up in real life, make sure to subscribe. These insights stack, and the more you catch, the less you chase. 6. You probably have girls chasing you all the time. This is bait wrapped in false modesty. She's hoping you'll downplay your options and zoom in on her, but mystery is attraction. Smile and say, "I'm not easy to catch." Then change the subject. Make her wonder, not reassure. 7. I just like how easy it is to talk to you. This isn't about your charm. It's a prompt for you to talk more, share more, fill the space. But silence is power. Next time, nod and say, "Yeah, comfort's rare these days." And hold eye contact. Now she's the one filling the space. 8. I feel like I can trust you. This one's deep and dangerous. It sounds sincere, but often it's used to speed up the intimacy timeline on her terms. Don't rush in. Trust is earned both ways. Slow the interaction and let her prove that you can trust her too. That's the real shift.